Usually I'm not covering such low caps, but every once in a while we can make an exception, right? So, without further ado, Phoenix Global PHB or Red Pulse Phoenix, however you wanna call it. We are making the price prediction for 2021 and possibly beyond. Let's use our knowledge of technical analysis. Let's see where we stand and just let's roar. Do not be offended, because I feel that it's almost like my duty to remind you to join our crypto pack, to subscribe to the channel, to be a part of this community that is marching to the crypto lands. So, click the subscribe button, only if you want to be with us. Like the video, only if you do like and care about what I'm speaking. Share with someone that you think this could help. Tip the dinosaur if you feel the need, and watch the video just to enjoy the show. Before all that, in the top coins there is red, but nothing to worry about. The biggest loser is Polkadot, standing at $33 with minus 8.10%. If you are interested in this coin, we have the price prediction for 2021. Do check it out. When in the movers and shakers section there is nothing with 20+%, then you know that the market isn't moving very much. But let's do point out holochain, hot, hollow, however you want to call it. And I'm pointing it out because we made a price prediction for this coin also. So if that's interesting, look at it. And also when you're at it, look in stuff from my channel. Look at the engine coin that today is plunging 14.46%. But nothing to worry about if you hold engine coin, because in the last few days engine coin skyrocketed. Just yesterday 40%. So this is just a mild correction in comparison with that. And now I want to take a look at the Phoenix Global. I'm not familiar with the coin. You requested it. Maybe something interesting on the chart. What do you say? Let's go. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, for all of you Phoenix Global fans. Weekly chart versus US dollar. Every candle, 1 week. Pretty simple, right? And also, pretty simple is the naked chart of Phoenix Global, which gave us a clue that in the March was the ultimate low of this coin. And in October of last year, we made, for the first time in a few months, even years, higher low. So an uptrend. Just for example, if you take this low, it was higher than this one. So this was a lower low than this one, but this was a higher low than this the previous one. Nothing much to debate about it. It's just an uptrend. This coin is in a mild uptrend, but still it is slowly going to the upside. Let's say it like that. It's doing it on this support line, on this trend line, and as I mentioned in all of my videos, this line, this one simple trend line, is enough for you to establish a bull trend or a bear trend. You can say that as long as we are above this support line, we're good. Bull is intact, so we could fall from these levels of 0.1 cent, 1 cent, ladies and gentlemen, all the way to, I don't know, let's say 0.003, and we would still be in a bull trend. Hey, that's the name of the game, simplicity, one trend line. So according to this trend line, we're bullish. But let's take a look at 21 EMA, exponential moving average, period 21 weeks. Are we bullish according to this indicator? Well, yes, also bullish. And that's just by the simple fact that we are above it. And as long as we are above it, I would not declare a bear trend, just a bullish trend. Currently, that 21 weekly moving average is standing at 0.004 and our price is standing at 0.007. So a fall from this 7 to 4 would not break anything. And now the twist. The more bullish stuff, according to this indicator, would in fact be our fall to this 21 exponential moving average. Because for me to be sure that Phoenix Global is in a confirmed bull trend, we need to retest this moving average. As you can see, since we break above it, we haven't tested it yet. We were below it, then breaking out, and still not retested it. If we do something like this and fall below the 20 week, like at this big candle, look at this, we fall below and lived for quite some time, then that wouldn't be an indication of a strong bull trend. Still a bull trend, but not a strong one. The strong one would be a rebound from this 21 EMA. So after we touch 21 EMA, yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is possible. This arrow to the upside, this rocket ship. Okay, something is definitely happening, because if we remove all of this and plot a 34 EMA, you can see that we are above it. Not only that, but look at this crossover. Something happened, something very important. 21 crossed from the downside to the upside over the 34 EMA, and that is pretty bullish, because if you look at the past, we were for years below it, and this is the first time since a long time that we crossed above it, confirming that something bullish is happening with the coin. Will that be enough? Like I said, we must wait and see. If we plot this 55 EMA, well, one more bullish thing on the screen, because you can see that all this bear trend from 2018, we were below this 55. Look at this. Price is always well below it until this important candle that broke 55 EMA. We are now above it. And yes, it would be even healthy, let's say healthier than retest of 21 to retest this 55. And after that, maybe that scenario that we just talked about is in the cards. But it's all not sunshine and rainbows, because if you bought, for example, 89 EMA, well, ladies and gentlemen, now we can see a little different picture. Very big resistance ahead of us at that 0.0 fell. For me to say that Phoenix Global is super bullish, well, we would have to break this line, 89 exponential moving average. Until then, we are bullish, but not super bullish. Phoenix Global still have a lot to prove to us, let's say. Maybe price action will now continue to move inside this, let's call it squeeze, between the 55 and 89. We'll see. So a lot more job for the Phoenix Global, and the job is far from done. One more thing before the price prediction for this year, and still we're making that price prediction, although as I said, we're not ultra bullish. Now I will make the price prediction just if we meet certain rules, and those are the rules that I just mentioned to you. We should rebound from those moving averages, we should break that 89, and also we should see some volume, because if we go to 2018, you can see the interest in Phoenix Global was in the January of 2018 at the peak, then again October of the same year, and since then not much, ladies and gentlemen, not much has happened. You can see the volume is declining, no signs of a real life. So yes, once again I say, by some technical rules we are bullish, we are not in a bear trend anymore, but still a lot of work. And now I will give you that price prediction, and I'm not saying that it will with certainty be met, these targets that I will give you. First of all, we gotta break those resistances that are ahead of us. We gotta prove ourselves to the world of crypto. Not us, I mean Phoenix Global, After that, well, just after that, we will say, oh yes, the Phoenix has risen from the ashes. And that is a possibility, that Phoenix Global will rise like a phoenix. You know, that would be pretty cool. From the fire and ashes, the Phoenix Global comes. Until then, let's have a clear head and a cool one for that. And now, if the explosion comes, I will now show you where we could be heading. Let me remind you, the all-time high of Phoenix Global was at 80 cents. We will use that 80 cents in our projection. We will use this low of 0.001, our bear trend, and just call our favorite tool Fibonacci retracement. Reverse it and just hold it like this. What did we get? Well, something very interesting and something that is hiding in the future. For example, those Fibonacci extensions that I just got from the Fibonacci retracement tool, reverse Fibonacci retracement tool if you want to be exact. Now here's the deal. I'm telling to you right now that if Phoenix Global decides to recover all-time highs, and that is the first condition for these levels, all-time highs need to be met. Next stop and 161.8 will be at $1.31, 261.8 at $2.12, 361.8% retracement, not retracement, extension 2.93. And ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to our 423.6%, $3.44. Let's make it around $3.45. And yes, this could be overhyped, crazy. Maybe Phoenix Global never recover from the depths of the bear market. But if it does, I just gave you the levels where it could travel. It's not moon, but it's pretty close. Because right now, ladies and gentlemen, we are standing at the 0.007. So we're not even at 1 cent. We touched it a few weeks ago. Let's keep a close eye on the current price section of Phoenix Global. Will it rebound from those moving averages? Will it crush those resistances ahead? After that, those are the levels. Those are the hopium levels that I just gave you. So stick around. And also, if you decide to believe me, well, smash a like. It will help our channel. Share it with someone you think they are in need of this kind of video. And until the next time, watch these videos, because I also making all sorts of price prediction on all sorts of coins. So I hope we're seeing ourselves next time when the Phoenix arise.